Welcome! This guide is designed especially for 3D beginners. We'll take you through the process of using Blender's VRM add-on to export your model as a VRM file. Don't worry, we keep everything simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. You need to install a translator plugin so that Blender can recognize VRM files. If your Blender is version 4.2 or above, go to the top menu, Edit, Preferences. In the pop-up window, go to the Extensions tab. Search for VRM format and install it directly. If your Blender is version 2.93 to 4.1, download the plugin as a zip file. Do not unzip. Once the file is saved to your computer, open Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences. Select Add-ons from the left side and then click Install. A file view window will appear. Navigate to the folder containing your new add-on zip file. Select it and then click Install Add-on. Go to the Community tab. Look for Import/Export VRM format and check it. There is also a search box in the top right where you can type VRM to filter to the add-on. Please make sure you did not unzip it and that the file name ends in .zip, and also the Community tab is enabled. Prepare your 3D model. If you already have a 3D model, such as FBX, OBJ, or GLB, import it into Blender. Go to File, Import in the top menu. Choose the file format that matches your model, such as Filmbox FBX or Wavefront OBJ. Locate your model and click Import. You should now see your model in the Blender 3D viewport.
To preview the model more easily, you can start by applying the VRM material. For now, you can use the same texture for both lit color and shade color.
VRM recommends M-Toon material for anime-style appearances. Select your mesh. In the Properties panel, go to Material Properties, the red circle icon. Create a new material or select an existing one. Scroll to VRM Material. Enable Use VRM M-Toon Shader. Understand the VRM plugin interface. After installing the plugin, it appears in the sidebar of the 3D viewport. Press N on your keyboard in the 3D viewport to open the sidebar. Click the VRM tab. You will see VRM Meta, the model info, Humanoid, the skeleton, Blend Shape, the expressions, and Spring Bone, which is the physics. We will use them step by step. Step 2. Bind the skeleton. Let your model know it's human. VRM requires a standard humanoid skeleton to recognize body parts. Click Check VRM Model to ensure that all required bones are correctly assigned. Mandatory T-pose. VRM requires a standard T-pose, the arms straight out, palms down. Select your skeleton, enter Pose Mode, switch to the front orthographic view. Create standard expressions. We need to create VRM standard expressions and visemes that follow a specific naming conventions. For the emotions, we need to create joy, angry, sorrow, fun, surprised, and neutral. For the eyes, there's blink, blink_L, blink_R. For the mouth, visemes, A-E-I-O-U, bind expressions. Open VRM tab. Go to the Expression panel. Click plus to add new expression, such as blink. Press tab on your keyboard to enter edit mode. Move the vertices to create closed eyes. Press tab again to return to object mode. Slide the value to see the blink effect. In Morph Target Binds, select the mesh and corresponding shape key. Set weight to 1.0. Repeat for all expressions. Face shaping. If the model has no shape keys, VRM expressions use Blender shape keys, so we'll have to create a shape key. Select your face mesh. In the Properties panel, go to Object Data Properties, the green triangle. Open Shape Keys panel. Keep Basis untouched. Click the plus sign twice to create a new key. Add Outline. Optional. In Outline, set mode to World Coordinates. Adjust outline width and outline color. Set materials. Make your model cartoonish. key options. Lit color. Color of lit areas, usually a texture. Shade color. Color of shadows, usually same texture but darker. Shading toonie. 0 equals the smooth gradient, 1 equals cartoon style. We recommend 1. Shading shift. Adjust the shadow strength. Negative values, such as negative 0.1, make the face brighter. Step 5. Add physics. Spring bones are used to make your model's hair, skirt, or tail move naturally. Collider groups are objects that prevent spring bones from passing through the body. They consist of 3 parts: joints, the parts that will move, for example, bones of a ponytail; colliders, invisible barriers to prevent hair from going through the body, usually placed on the head or chest; springs, controllers that connect joints and colliders to adjust bounciness. Create colliders. In the end sidebar, go to the VRM tab and expand the spring bone. If you forgot how to access the end sidebar, move your mouse to the 3D viewport and press N on your keyboard, and a sidebar will appear to the right. Expand spring bone colliders. Click plus to add a new collider, for example, a sphere. Click the skeleton, switch to pose mode, and use the snapping tool to bind the collider to the corresponding bone. Switch back to object mode and move the collider to the correct position, such as the center of the head. Repeat these steps to ensure all parts of your character have colliders.
First, create collision objects for the torso. Then, create collision objects for the arms and legs. This prevents the physics bones from passing through the body. Next, select the target bone. Create a new collision object at that bone's position. After that, adjust its size so it fits the character model.
Create collider groups. Expand spring bone collider groups. Click plus to the right to create a new group, for example, head_colliders. Assign the colliders you just created to this group. Set springs. In spring bone springs, click plus at the top to create a new spring, for example, hair_ponytail. Step 6. Finalize and export. Fill in the ID card. This is the last step. You need to fill in the model's ID card and copyright information. Fill in model information, meta. In the end sidebar, go to the VRM tab and expand VRM meta. Fill in thumbnail. This is required, so choose a preview image that you like. Complete! Congratulations! If everything went well, you now have a VRM file. Import it into your favorite software and see your character come to life.